A few years ago, I took a tour of Idaho Steel, and get this, they don't make steel. As we walked around this huge shop, we looked at equipment that produces tater tots and coarse cabbages and makes curly fries. Now, after the tour, the guide, who manages company quality, shared something that has stuck with me. We're not in the business of creating food processing equipment. We're in the business of creating efficiencies. Our welders weld and our designers design, but their job, everyone's job, is to produce efficiencies. Efficiencies is at the heart of business acumen. Efficiencies can make you more competitive and more profitable, and even seemingly small efficiencies can have a much bigger impact on the bigger picture than you might first anticipate. Take American Airlines, for example. They saved 400,000 gallons of fuel, which saves them about $1.2 million annually. Now, how'd they do it? They invested in more fuel-efficient engines. Nah, that's not what they did. What they did is they did it through fuel hedging. And fuel hedging is when you lock in future fuel prices at today's rates. No, I'm just joking. That's not what they did either. They actually replaced these with these. Every pilot is required to carry around about 35 pounds worth of manuals. But somebody at American Airlines said, why don't we just replace it with an iPad? They got approval, and now every pilot carries around an iPad. Altogether, 24 million pages of paper have been eliminated. Emissions have been reduced by more than 2,100 metric tons. And this one's funny, pilots have reported less back injuries. And that seemingly small idea is how American Airlines saved 400,000 gallons of fuel, which saves them around $1.2 million annually. Now, efficiency is doing better what is already being done. That's one of my favorite quotes from Peter Drucker. Now, the next time you're in a team meeting, share this video and use your business acumen to explore the following questions about being more efficient as a team. Number one, what does it mean to be efficient? You may want to share that quote from Peter Drucker. How does being efficient make a company more competitive, more profitable? What were some of the unforeseen benefits of American Airlines' new efficiency? Where can our team be more efficient? Keep the discussion focused on reducing waste, expenses, or unnecessary effort. And lastly, take a few of the ideas shared in your meeting and explore how they might impact your team, other teams, and the company as a whole.